Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to use Cash App. If you're new to Cash App, it's essentially a mobile app available on both iPhone and Android devices that allows you to instantly send and receive money. It's user-friendly and accessible for anyone over 13 years old. In this tutorial, I'll guide you step by step on how to set up your account, link your payment methods, send and receive money, and explore other key features Cash App offers. First, go to either the App Store if you're on an iPhone or the Google Play Store if you're using an Android device. Download and install the app, then open it. When you first open Cash App, it will ask you for either a phone number or an email address. Enter your preferred contact method, as this will be tied to your account. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the setup process, including verifying your identity and adding any required details. If you're setting up your account for the first time, you'll also have the option to link a debit card, credit card, or bank account during the setup. If you skip this step, don't worry. I'll show you how to link them manually. Once you're on the main screen, the first thing I recommend is tapping your profile icon in the top corner. From here, you'll see the option to link your bank accounts, debit cards, or credit cards. I've already linked a debit card and a bank account. If you haven't done so, go ahead and link at least one of these now. Keep in mind, linking a debit card or bank account doesn't incur any fees when sending or receiving money. However, if you choose to use a credit card, there's a 3% transaction fee for payments. Having a payment method linked is important because it allows you to send money, add cash to your Cash App balance, and withdraw funds to your bank account. On the main screen, you'll see 5 icons at the bottom. Let's start with the first one, which is the home icon. This page shows your Cash App balance, and it even provides you with a routing and account number. Think of this section as your mobile banking hub. From here, you can add cash or cash out. If you want to add cash, tap on the Add Cash button, enter the amount, and confirm. The funds will be pulled from your linked debit card or bank account. On the other hand, if you want to transfer money from your Cash App balance to your bank account, tap on Cash Out and follow the instructions. There are also other ways to add money to your Cash App account. You can deposit paper money at supported nearby locations, set up recurring deposits, or enable direct deposits from your paycheck. Now let's talk about sending and receiving money. Tap on the money icon, which is the second icon at the bottom. Here, you can enter an amount you want to send or request. If you want to request money, tap Request, and then enter the recipient's name, phone number, email, or cash tag. Add a note specifying why you're requesting the money and then send the request. The recipient will receive a notification on their phone or email. If you want to send money, tap Pay instead. Enter the recipient's information in the same way, using their name, phone number, email, or dollar cash tag. Add a note explaining what the payment is for, then choose your payment method. You can either pay using your Cash App balance or directly from your linked bank account or debit card. Once everything looks good, tap Pay, and the transaction will be processed instantly. There's also an option to send payments in Bitcoin or as stock investments, but we'll keep those advanced features for another time. Next, let's explore the Cash Card feature. This is the third icon at the bottom, and it looks like a credit card. With Cash App, you can order a free physical cash card that works like a debit card. You can use this card for online and in-store purchases, and it often comes with discounts and cashback offers at certain retailers. Once you activate your cash card, it'll be directly tied to your Cash App balance. The fourth icon is for investing. Cash App allows you to invest in stocks with as little as $1. You can browse through popular stocks like Apple, Disney, or other major companies. This feature is perfect for beginners who want to dip their toes into stock investing without committing large amounts of money. The fifth icon is for cryptocurrency. Cash App currently supports Bitcoin transactions, and you can buy, sell, or hold Bitcoin directly in the app. While Cash App might expand to support other cryptocurrencies in the future, for now, Bitcoin is the main option available. If you run into any issues, Cash App has a support section where you can find helpful articles or contact customer support directly through the app. That's everything you need to know to get started with Cash App. From setting up your account to sending, receiving, and even investing money, this app is incredibly versatile and easy to use. Thanks for watching.